Give me Shantanu the sign.
I'll do it now.
Chal.
Welcome to another episode of the Popcorn Hour. I'm Shantanu. This is Akanksha, and today we have with us a very special guest. A very, very special guest. In fact, one of my closest friends and someone who Akanksha doesn't know. Akanksha's only met her once.
Malika doesn't know me.
You have met, but you don't remember. It was at my birthday.
I remember.
You remember.
हम लोग फिल्म क्विज नहीं खेल रहे थे?
Yes.
हाँ.
You
हमारा गैंग बना था
She
यार.
is a memorable person.
We had a gang.
You had a gang.
Yeah.
Everyone at my. So now that you've met at my birthday and now I'm meeting here, let us talk about Malika Dua for those. Everyone
No,
knows.
you know, वही जो हर पॉडकास्ट पे कुछ ना कुछ आके बोलती है आजकल. यही ब्लो ड्राई करा के, यही सुंदर लग के. I am that girl only.
Yeah. Actor, creator, interior designer. We can, and there are many
Just
more.
a bitch all around.
Here and today we are going to discuss underrated romantic pairs.
Jodi type. Jodi number 1.
सस्ता बना दे हर चीज को.
Besides you and I on stage back in the day.
Underrated romantic pairs. We
You
romantic pair
guys
on stage.
acted together.
Bro.
Yeah.
What are you saying? I feel like I missed out on something very important.
It was
Yeah.
iconic.
Yeah.
Iconic.
We were. There was a crackling sexual chemistry, if I may, to us.
I can tell.
Yeah, there was.
Yes.
There was. In fact, she stabbed my crotch in a play.
I did.
Hot.
I really
That's very
did.
hot.
It was
Was that
amazing.
intentional?
I went method, I won't lie, but like, you know, demand थी scene की. मैंने मना भी नहीं किया.
So what we're going to start with today, after, of course, now that my crotch has been stabbed, we can move on to more pressing things. Like, okay, so we'll do this we can discuss underrated romantic pairs. We'll talk about romantic pairs that should have formed. You know, couples that were never, actors who were never cast together, but would be very good to cast with,
Okay.
you know, together.
We'll write it right.
And those who were panned by critics, couples that were panned by critics and audiences, but are actually not that bad. So we'll break this into those segments, and we'll start with underrated romantic pairs.
Done.
Okay. I'm just putting my hand
Do
up.
all of
to
us need
spread.
to put our hand
Do you
first?
have one? Everyone who has one, put their hand up. Okay, fine. Well, Mali, you're the guest, please go.
Now, if you guys have not seen this, तुम यहीं से निकल जाना, ठीक है? बाकी का मैं episode complete कर लूँगा. I feel that a very underrated and a really nice like chemistry वाला pair and a really underrated movie in fact is तुम बिन.
कल ही देखी मैंने.
बकवास.
देख ली मैंने कल.
अच्छा.
मैंने मत-
पूरी प्रेम में देखी है मैंने हाँ.
You saw
I just happened to watch the movie yesterday.
Like Priyanshu Chatterjee and Sandali Sinha. You know, remember these names.
I
History
remember.
will be kinder to them.
PCNSS.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course, she had like 3 love interests in that
Rakesh
film.
Bapat, of course, being the first.
Himanshu.
Yeah. But like that chemistry was so good. Choti, you know, Shantu's favorite song.
It's your favorite song. I can
In-
imagine you dancing to that.
I like.
Who else
I
is
like.
it?
I like Tumben. That Manish Makhija playing the Sardar.
Yes.
Oh God.
He's the friend. He's the
a
friend.
friend, no?
Yeah.
Was it him?
Bosco. It was the Onida guy.
No, yeah. Sardar, wasn't it Raj Ritchie? Or am I just
No. It's not.
It was a Manish Makhija type. It's one of the Manish Makhijas. You
It
know?
was like Vikram Gokhale also. No?
Vikram Gokhale is the father
He's
who
the
goes into
father.
Sadma.
Yeah,
What a
yeah.
cast.
That's not, no. We don't do that. Salma acting like that.
I just said Sadma. You can do this when you're showing
Sure.
He doesn't talk.
He talks in the
So
end.
why is it called Salma?
Sadma.
Oh, Sadma.
He goes into Sadma. It's a
Yeah.
Sadma situation.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
you can do. That's not. Who is
But
this
in the
offensive to
three-
Sadma? Sadmaites.
But Tumbin, genuine question. You thought she should have ended up with Priyanshu only?
700%.
Not the
obviously.
first one because I cried the
एक तो
most.
मर
on her.
गया ना.
But
Could she
उसका
end up
सबसे
with
बुरा
him?
मुझे वही सीन लगता है.
She was already with him. He died. You know when someone dies, and I have like a lot of experience in that genre, you cannot physically be with them.
No.
Unless you're talking about Saya.
और
John
मोहब्बतें
Abraham.
Even
guys.
a spirit medium cannot.
मोहब्बतें
ऐश्वर्या आ रही है तो नाचते
है
हुए
ना
जा
वो
रहा
उधर नाच रही है उसके साथ.
But वो
Okay, but what was wrong with Himanshu? I feel like Himanshu
That's
came in, offered to buy her company.
Himanshu was, you know, that वो जो हर लड़की की लाइफ में एक अमीर लड़का नहीं होता,
ये
स्पेशली
कब
दिल्ली
हुआ है
में.
यार? ये होता है क्या?
एक होता है. There is always one guy in the picture who's very rich and who really wants you and who जो तुम्हें रानी की तरह रखेगा. You know,
What?
ये रानी की तरह रखेगा.
Rani, okay. That's...
तुम क्यों काम करती हो?
मैं सोच रही हूँ,
मजबूरी
अभी
है
सोच
क्या?
रही हूँ मैं.
I just felt that there
कोई
was...
जॉब वॉब मैं तुम्हारा CV मतलब ऐसे आदमी के साथ
You said Rani की तरह रखेगा.
जो तुम्हें रानी या राजकुमारी की तरह रखेगा. ऐसे there is always that guy.
Yeah.
But what's the problem with that?
What is the fun in that?
अच्छा,
You
अच्छा,
know,
अच्छा.
like क्या फायदा? गोल्फ खेलोगे तुम बैठ के, क्या करोगे? असली स्टेक्स तो मतलब प्रियांशु के कैरेक्टर ने खेले हैं ना. मतलब मारूंगा
मार
भी
दिया
मैं और
उसने.
शादी भी मैं करूंगा तुझसे.
मार दिया.
I love it. I love it.
But you think it's okay that he didn't tell her? He didn't come clean to her. That's fine, क्या?
He
No,
did, no?
He
Eventually.
doesn't come clean
He
to her.
told the grand. He tells the father.
No, but she also gets to know.
Father,
Much later.
because father
Father
comes out
tells
of
her,
sadma.
yeah,
कि
yeah.
वो
He
बता
doesn't come
चुका
clean.
था
So then,
मुझे.
Malika, that's the question.
Yeah.
Let's say this happened to you.
Yeah.
Would you be okay living
I
with
think
that
enough
guy?
has happened to me. Maybe we can take another person as an example.
Okay, it happened to your bestie.
मेरा हो गया अभी. कुछ साल तक मेरा कोटा नहीं है ये.
You're saying Priyanshu and Samali are an underrated romantic pair.
They are a brilliant pair
And they
that
should
did
have
not
done.
get the love and like Tumbin is a cult film.
Yeah.
It's a cult film.
Yeah.
And वो इतनी अच्छी केमिस्ट्री थी उनकी. इनफैक्ट मुझे तो लगता है कि प्रियांशु चैटर्जी एज एन एक्टर इज सो अंडरयूटिलाइज्ड.
I fully
Hunk.
agree.
He's a full hunk.
I fully agree.
He has everything. Like he has those eyes, he acted well, he looked like a good man and not
Height.
like a chichora number one.
Yeah.
You know, like even in a 12th fail, like whatever he got to do,
He's done some very interesting work.
Yeah.
12th fail view. I was just telling
Yeah,
you he was in
yeah,
12th
yeah,
fail
yeah.
yesterday. But you're saying you would like to see them in other films? Is that what
but
they
I
said?
think it might be too late now. I'm not sure.
Tumbin 2 they weren't there, you know. There was a Tumbin 2.
Yes, I believe. Oh, उसमें वो गाना था.
कोई
Terry Mary,
फरियाद.
ये कहानी, Johnny Money, Johnny Money. Isn't that one?
That's
मुझे
2?
तुझसे एक सवाल है.
Did-
It's the
That sounds
remix
very
of
Tumbini.
नहीं, it's the remix of आज ब्लू है पानी पानी.
Ah.
What was the
No,
cast
the
of
original
Tumbin?
one has
Aditya
Seal,
Shawl.
Neha Sharma.
Okay,
Aditya
no,
Shawl,
sorry,
yes.
sorry.
It's not.
Aditya Seal.
Aditya Shawl is what
Sorry.
she
It's a shawl.
Aditya Shawl. Like Jay Sean में SEAN को पकड़ लिया ना.
Aditya Seal is there, no? Then there's one more guy who looks like Aditya Seal only, and then there's Neha.
Oh, sorry, मैं तो अलग ही फिल्म में चली गई हूँ.
This is the.
But shout out to this remix of आज ब्लू है पानी पानी. Cue it.
Tumbin 1 had 2 amazing songs in it. 3 of the ones you sing,
The whole
obviously.
album.
I'll tell you. One तो is
कोई फरियाद. Yeah.
मेरे दिल. Okay. Then there's थोड़ा दारू with your
That's the one?
प्यार मिलावे. आप कर दो ना. Yeah.
It's also in the first 5 minutes of the film.
Then there's
Daru
also
with
that
Priyal.
na 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 na.
Yeah.
It's just like
Such a
score.
feel. Oof. Yeah.
As you can tell, guys, I'm a fan.
Yeah,
There
yeah,
was
yeah.
the
music.
younger sister
Yeah,
of
yeah.
the guy Rakesh Bapat's
Yeah.
younger sister
Yeah,
in
yeah,
Tumbin.
yeah,
Who
yeah.
looks like Anjali.
She went on to play the cousin of Amrita Rao, who is
In
jealous
Viva.
of her in Viva. Have you seen Viva?
Oh, Gigi!
Yeah.
Oh, Gigi! Oh, Gigi! Another underrated pair is
Shahid Amrita.
Shahid
Oh
Amrita.
God, yeah.
But
And Amrita Zaid. Okay, they were rated, but I don't think it
They didn't come back again
yeah.
together.
oh,
Yeah.
I was always rooting for Mambo and Amrita in Ishq Vishk. I was
The
hoping
bestie
Mambo
vibe.
and Amrita
Yeah,
would
yeah,
get
yeah.
together.
But Mambo ends up with Pam, who's hot.
Polly Pereira.
Polly
तू
Pereira,
मेरी,
तू मेरी, मैं तेरा.
पॉली परेरा तू मेरी मैं तेरा
Sorry. My bad.
Facts सही कर लो, अपने
बहुत
फिर
very
वापस
hot.
आना यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
Polly Pereira was
Mambo
very
got a
hot.
good deal. Mambo got a good deal.
So, okay, so we have Priyanshu and Sandali, but
Yeah.
now to talk to regular people and to engage with them, we'll have to think of more people.
Sure.
Okay, like I'm gonna be the artsy one here. I'm gonna say I liked Maddie and Vidya.
Where?
Yeah.
Guru.
Oh!
Yeah.
रोशनी का शोर
शादी कर लो मुझसे
शौक है कि शोर है?
शौक है.
ओ शौक है.
It's शौक है. रात का शौक है. A Vidya with multiple
Beautiful pair.
MS. I think she has multiple sclerosis or
She
some
does,
degenerative
yeah.
disease. He's a earnest, sincere, sexy
Journalist,
journalist.
yeah.
He looked so good in that, man.
It was
That was a good Maddie
beautiful.
era. He was in a good zone that time.
Stunning.
Yeah.
And just इतना हाई स्टेक्स था ना वो भी रोमांस कितना
Gentle
हाई
That was
also.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It was-
अनकंडीशनल
I cannot get over that. I watch that film very often,
Yeah.
and I just watch those chunks where they're at Marine Drive and she's like, "Will you be able to carry me to the
Yeah.
bathroom? I can't go to the toilet on my own."
हाँ,
and-
बिस्तर गीला
and
हो जाता
बिस्तर
है.
गीला होता है, and he's just like he holds her and he kisses her. Oh, that's the kind of romance that. I
and
love.
it's so believable
But with a healthier person. That's not. As in, like, it was. I mean, ideally, I don't want that. I'm saying I would love.
समझ गए,
If
समझ
it
गए.
happens in that scenario, then I will love unconditionally. But I don't want.
Keep talking. Talk
Yeah,
yourself
yeah,
through
yeah.
this. It's great.
Yeah.
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 The only MS I want in life is office.
Oh my god.
Word.
I feel like there should be a punishment segment
There is
on
the-
this podcast where
the-
you need to start facing the other way.
I'll take
For
silence.
some time, yeah. This is
I
exactly
have
this is why
worked
he's
really
one of
hard at cultivating a very vanilla personality. You will not take it away from me,
I think in the
Shantanu.
next 20 minutes, Malika is going to say something.
My rebellious
dangerous.
days are behind me.
Okay, fine. So now that we've got enough out of Maddie with that, at least the sweet part we can.
Beautiful
retain.
chemistry.
Beautiful, yeah, lovely. No joke.
I also have one. I also have one.
हाथ पीछे कर ले.
You
अब
had
तेरी
said
बारी
hand up
बची.
and all.
अब तेरी बारी बची है बस
ठीक है
यार.
ठीक है बोलिए बोलिए साथिया में विवेक ओबरॉय and रानी मुखर्जी I think were very good.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful movie.
Beautiful chemistry.
Beautiful
Rated.
movie. Also the OG Satya is actually Maddie. Maddie is an OG
Yeah.
Satya.
Yeah,
Which is
we are-
better actually.
We're half South Indians here.
Sorry,
Go
sorry.
for
I
it.
should educate you.
Alai paile bol. Alai paile. Alai.
But yeah.
Indian drum punna. हम तो तमिल में बोलते हैं. स्नेहितने. Yeah, very good.
Very good one.
Very good. Very good chemistry.
Great chemistry, realistic, very like also
Very
all
nice.
shades of a love story. No, it's like
Yeah.
there's the wooing, then there's the fighting, then there's the
Yeah.
getting back together. It's all stakes down. Very beautiful.
Both look so real यार मतलब
Beautifully
कुछ
real.
वो नहीं था कि
She plays Sharat Saxena's daughter in it.
क्या
Yeah.
That was also real.
Yeah.
That felt
Tanuja,
real.
Yeah.
Miss Tanuja, who we respect a lot, is
I'm
also.
not. I'm seeing sincere stuff. I don't know
Yeah.
why.
I'm-
Shantanu's really into Sharat Saxena.
Yeah,
I
interesting.
love. मैं तो हूँ पागल.
Pagal.
मैं तो हूँ पागल मैं तो हूँ पागल
बादशाह. बादशाह में.
मोती क्या?
He plays
क्या
Moti.
crap.
Oh.
And
Fuck,
she's like,
it's too
Deepshika goes like, ये केस मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड मोती ये केस मोती सॉल्व करेगा. And Amrish Puri goes like, ये कुत्ते के सॉल्व करने का केस नहीं. मोती मेरा boyfriend है boss. Okay, so Vivek and Vivek. Okay, hot take. Vivek with anyone underrated couple.
Wait.
Oh,
Just wait.
Vivek, Kareena, Yuva.
very
Very nice.
underrated. Very good. Ash,
Yeah, क्यों हो गया ना?
underrated.
I've not
Cute.
seen. I
Oh.
haven't seen.
Cute. हाँ.
What
I
else?
actually like that movie for some reason.
I'll okay. You're just naming Vivek with women.
Yeah.
Huh? Vivek with women. Vivek. Vivek की picture Dum. Vivek Dum with Dia. Love her. Lovely person. Not
Yeah.
chair at all.
Not at all. That's a lot for
And
the
who
environment.
else?
Vivek
Guys,
Rani.
even मुझे पे एक आ रहा है अभी.
कौन सा?
Not Vivek, but बहुत कम उन्हें screen time मिला साथ में. And again, Mani sir,
Oh,
Shahrukh Khan and Tabu.
oh.
I really liked.
पूरी मूवी उसके बारे में होनी चाहिए.
Yeah, we need a film
Yeah, yeah.
with them
Full,
together.
That's the couple that has not been used properly.
Yeah.
That needs multiple films.
100%.
When he gets out of this metal bending Jawan era of his and he does an adult
Love
urban
story.
rom-com,
Really
you
nice.
want either Tabu or Vidya Balan with him, right?
Yeah.
Tabu
Those are like
No,
age
anyone like so he तो looks good with everyone.
Radhika Madan को तो नहीं cast कर सकते
नहीं, of
ना?
course नहीं, मतलब
Age appropriate wise, who would you put?
I could put anyone from Manisha Koirala, Tabu, Kajol, Kareena Kapoor also, and
But Tabu,
Manisha Koirala, we are saying is a good enough actor to put with.
she's
Arey,
a
what are you
brilliant
saying?
actor. What are you saying?
मैंने बोला कि I asked a
you
question. I didn't give an
mad?
opinion at all.
Malika
In fact,
Jhan.
Mani sir only paired them.
हाँ,
say
but
heartbreaking.
I just want to, yeah, Manisha Koirala, great cinematic face. Looked very, expressions looked good, but some of that dialogue delivery.
I'm not understanding. You're fully
Shantanu?
alone in this.
See, I'm not worried about Manisha Koirala fans coming after me in the comments. Okay, I'm not worried because they will. There's clearly and वो international भी होगा and Indian भी
Shantanu
होगा.
is an Imran Hashmi
Yes,
fan.
it varies.
Yeah.
It varies.
Yeah. And acting wise, like he loves Imran Hashmi.
He said Azhar is one of his top performers.
Nice.
तो
नहीं कुछ नहीं, मैं
पसंद है तो
बस
है।
मैं आकांक्षा से conversation कर रही हूँ.
बस
this is
हम
my
समझ
Abhi
रहे
Bhai.
हैं,
I'm just
हम
switching back
समझ
into
रहे
Abhi
हैं
Bhai
दूसरे
mode
को.
now.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Please zoom in on Emmy by mode. Oh God. I think all your podcasts should end with a Shantanu dance performance. I really think.
Mostly leg work also should happen.
100% leg work is where it's at.
Imran Hashmi, has he ever been in a pair that you guys would consider underrated?
Jannat.
Good boy, bad boy? Sherlyn? Selena?
No.
No.
इमरान सर तो केमिस्ट्री बना लेते हैं ना.
He was with. Who was he with? Who are the leading actors, female actors he's been paired with?
जन्नत वाली यार.
विद्या बालन ने
ना वो leading actor नहीं है ना, अगर जन्नत वाली बोलना पड़ रहा है तुम्हें. जन्नत वाली.
Fran Hashmi.
सोनल चौहान जी.
Prachi
Sonal ji.
Desai.
Prachi Desai. Then didn't he do a film with Vidya Balan also?
Yes.
Amazing.
Yeah.
He's done multiple. He did Dirty Picture
Ghan
with
Chakkar.
her, and he did Ghan Chakkar, and he was amazing with Huma Qureshi and Kalki in Ek Thi Dayan.
Thi Dayan.
Oh my God, एक थी Diane. There was Konkona also.
Yeah.
She was the
Great
scariest
movie.
That
Diane.
is the
was the
greatest
Diane.
cast.
Yeah,
That is
yeah.
one
मैं
of the
मर
best
गई
Very
cast.
वो
good
देख
movie.
के.
Very good
Why are
movie.
we hating on Abhi Bhai for no reason at all?
No one's hating. Very correct. Where we said anything
You said-
offensive. You're very
But
sensitive about
I'm a
this.
little sensitive about Imran Hashmi because you said he's an Imran Hashmi fan
Yeah.
with that slight like he's an Imran Hashmi.
Not at all. Not at
No,
all.
no,
We
no.
were just saying we all have our preferences. Like we think
Exactly.
Manisha Koirala is a cracking actress.
Yeah.
And you
Cracking.
think, yes.
I don't even know how you're talking.
So why did you say Arvind Swamy and Manisha Koirala?
I love Arvind Swamy. And I love Arvind Swamy circa now.
Post corporate.
Yes. Oh,
Post his corporate
He's
era,
still
not
acting,
corporate.
what?
different.
He's still doing
He
movies.
came back and won a
Yeah.
national award the
Which
first
movie
year.
is this?
One
अभी
Kannada
तो
movie.
एक तो he did that IC 814 also.
Oh, he's in it.
विद्युत जामवाल की सारी पिक्चरें देखते हो आप?
अबे नहीं वो अनुभव सिन्हा का शो
अच्छा,
जिन्होंने
no, that
तुम
is-
बनाई थी Let's
अच्छा,
Get
no, no,
Back
I
to
have-
विजय
Tom
वर्मा भी
Ben.
थे.
I'm
जिसमें विजय वर्मा भी थे.
इसका दिमाग
I'm
है.
confused with IB72 or there's a Vidyut Jammwal film that sounds exactly like that. I saw his sex yoga video recently. Have you seen it?
Oh my god.
Vidyut Jammwal on YouTube has
No,
a
I've
whole...
just seen him do like
Martial arts.
kettlebell swings with a cylinder.
Now he does something वो क्या होता है? Kegel exercise बोलते हैं? Kegel
He
क्या?
does Kegel exercises. That's
Kegel
strange.
मतलब
Women
he-
do Kegel
वो
exercise.
शर्ट वो मतलब उसका मेल वर्जन करता है वो शर्टलेस जमीन पे लेट के he is basically like humping the
Oh, he's doing
ground
a Nora Fateh
for
dance step.
20 minutes ही किया. He just keeps doing that. I saw Shreya watching. Everyone like a lot of these people are sitting and watching. I'm like ये क्या है? They're like कितना अच्छा योगा कर रहा है ये. It's like they couldn't look away.
I think it's great.
तो हमने एक underrated pair we mentioned, right?
Yeah.
I have one more. Aisha Takya and Abhay Deol in Socha Na Tha. Have you all seen
I have
Socha Na
not
Tha?
seen Socha Na
Oh, good one to watch.
Yeah?
Imtiaz Ali's first film. Very cute movie. You should watch it. You seen it?
I've seen it. Aisha Takya and
What's
Vatsal
up?
Sheth.
Guys, also
Tarzan.
Ranbir Kapoor and Konkona. yaar.
You liked her?
I love
What did you like? Their pairing or them as their performance?
both.
Characters together made sense of it.
Yes.
Interesting.
In back then, today they would
हाँ,
not.
है
आज
ना?
तो
She's way-
what was her character's name?
journalisty.
नहीं यार, what are the names?
Aisha.
Aisha.
आज की डेट में
Journalisty hero.
Aisha would like reject Sid. कि
Yes.
man child grow
As
up,
she
please.
should.
आप जाइए अब जरा please.
Yeah.
But like back then, it was sweet.
You're saying, but a Ranbir Kapoor would naturally be gravitated towards an Aisha character in a real world, in that film.
Like
Whatever
a Bandra
his name
boy
is, what?
falling for that.
He's a
Sid,
rich,
yeah.
Name is Sid,
rich,
yeah.
Richie Rich. हाँ, sorry. I thought that Richie Rich or journalist.
I think he would,
Ganguly
and he
is
would
what I was-
he would only gravitate towards her when he leaves the comfort of his home, which he did. So I think it was built into the story कि लॉजिक मतलब अपनी रोज की जिंदगी में he would not cross paths with an Aisha. He would not think of her romantically, but because he decided to change his life direction,
Yeah.
I think discovering Aisha was also part of discovering that my God, there is a world. I just need to open my eyes to it
And click photos.
and click pics, enjoy the
Of her
rain.
feet and
Of her
Marine.
feet in
My
Marine.
feet in Marine Drive. This one.
Yes,
This photo.
that.
Rahul Khanna and her would have made a good pair. is
Rahul
what I
Khanna and
feel.
Konkona.
In the film.
And Ranbir.
Guys, Rahul Khanna and
Ranbir.
Lisa Ray.
Oh ho ho.
Rahul
Rang
Khanna?
mere rang rang.
Bollywood, Hollywood.
Correct.
Bollywood.
What chemistry.
And what two good-looking people
Oof.
together? क्या चल रहा है?
बहुत
It's too
जोर की
much only.
chemistry
Yeah, yeah, it's too
I
much.
liked Lisa Ray with Aftab more. कितनी बेचैन हो तुमसे मिली. That one. That was hot.
Yeah.
Or hot.
That was hot. And it was like not regular hot. It was elevated.
But what is the
Vikram
opinion?
Bhatt hot.
That's true.
What is the opinion? Sid and Aisha or Sid and Rahul Khanna? Today
Sid
version
and
of
Rahul
us.
Khanna?
Sorry. Or
Sid
Sid
and
and Rahul
Rahul
Khanna. Sorry. Aisha and Rahul Khanna versus Sid
मुझे
and Aisha.
Rahul Khanna was her editor, is
हाँ,
it?
he was her boss.
Cigar smoking.
He's like jazz club लेके जाता हो तुम्हें.
See,
Type
Sid,
guy.
because Sid was in awe of her. And मेरे लिए उससे ज़्यादा attractive एक आदमी में कुछ भी नहीं है. When he's in awe of me, I'm like,
Devi. You want lover/Devi title is what you want.
I need a devotee,
A Devchi.
not a partner.
I won't.
Yeah.
Okay. People who have never been cast together, but you
But
would like
should.
to cast them together.
Okay.
Yeah. I think this is what Mr. Mukesh Chabra is doing right now, sitting
We're
100
helping them.
500 meters away. Like, तुम बताओ यार किसको? Yeah.
What do we think Vicky and Deepika Padukone together?
Nice.
Good vibe.
I like.
I also like. I can imagine.
Yeah.
Huh.
But
It
something.
almost happened.
But a story as like nice and dignified as a Piku, not a like a you
Not
know
a-
racist or something.
Yeah.
Not
That was
that
generally
vibe.
Vicky
Hey,
Kaushal should
race
not
is
do.
fine. Not a Bhansali film.
No.
Because those are all replaceable.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stoic
Well,
silence
if-
is maintained.
If they
I think like a Piku, like guys, Deepika Padukone and
Irfan Khan, मुझे
Yeah,
बोलने
was
में
the
I
best
feel
kept. That was
Yeah.
the best.
you want
Just
so much more
stunning.
of that.
It was beautiful.
Irfan
Stop
and
you on the best love
Konkona.
stories.
Yeah, of course.
Huh? Irfan and Konkona, first Metro. That was also insane,
good.
insanely
So
good pairing.
good, so
but Irfan and Deepika was actually quite an
was
a
beautiful.
surprising pair,
Amazing.
which was
Oof.
you really root for when they're in their ancestral
Yeah,
home
man.
and they're having chai or coffee and then
Yeah.
halka flirting
And
and all
just
is
eye
happening.
contact,
Meditation
flirtation,
करती हो तुम?
oof.
हाँ, मैंने-
इस तरह की फैमिली है ना तुम्हारी.
And in the end, they're playing badminton is just beautiful.
So nice.
Beautiful.
Even
I
that
love
scene where she's like कि करोगे?
Yeah.
मेरा माथा खराब नहीं है मेरा.
With that
And
little
they're having
smirky,
kathi rolls.
yeah.
So beautiful.
Oh man. You just want
So
so much
nice.
more of them together
Yes.
on screen.
काठी rolls का भी बहुत सोच रहा हूँ आज अब उनके like I'm somehow like thinking about काठी rolls also a little bit. Okay, interesting. So you have spoken about Aisha Takia and you spoke about Irfan Khan. We are
You've spoken about Emmy bhai.
Is this an impulse? Like
ये क्या है ये?
Whoa, Ajnabi. Ajnabi. Oh, and there's also Jhalak Dikhla. There was a lot of this. He was a big guy on this.
He did this before,
It's like how Fardeen Khan had the
Yeah.
and it was always in some वो क्या होते हैं वो
Tight
harem
jeans.
pant वैंट पहन के नहीं वो desert में he would
There's always
always
a
be
ganji and all
ganji
involved.
and in रेत में.
Yeah.
Selena Jaitley and him alone.
I like John and Janelia as a couple.
When
And
did
Force.
this happen?
Force. You not seen Force?
I know, I've heard a song. Khabo, khabo,
That one.
nage jo.
That-
Yeah, very beautiful pairing.
Oh,
What do you think
really?
of Akshay Kumar and Chitrangda Singh?
In Desi Boys.
What are we talking about?
I just got a visual.
How
suddenly.
is that a
I don't know. I
any
just
type
got a
of couple?
visual. They're there, Desi Boys.
Terrible.
Yeah,
Not a
not a
vibe, no?
fan.
Ahu? Chitrangada Singh, nahi. If you now that we're discussing Chitrangada Singh, on an unrelated note, do you know Rajpal Yadav and Rituparna Sen Gupta?
Just shut up, this never happened.
Of course it did.
Rajpal Yadav?
गुंजा कोई मेरे नाम कर दिया
Both of you have sang like 20 times.
If we were not shooting, he would have started dancing.
It was KK singing
Don't
Mohit
control
Chauhan
yourself.
song.
Yes, it was.
Mohit Chauhan never sang a KK song. That makes no sense. I should get back to, but yes, that was मैं मेरी पत्नी और वो.
और वो.
That's what that film was.
Correct.
I've seen all of Rajpal sir's big ones.
All.
He did Ladies Tailor, मैं मेरी पत्नी और वो.
Didn't he do
there was
मैं
a-
Madhuri Dixit बनना
Yes,
चाहती
with
हूँ?
Antara Mali.
Antara ji.
Yeah.
Antara Mali also has been a part of many underrated romantic pairings.
Nach.
Okay.
I found Naj so pretentious.
Nach is
love
Abhishek
watching
Bachchan,
it.
na?
Dude,
And
I love
Pritesh.
watching it.
What? I thought it was
मुझे
Vijay
नाच
Kapoor.
पसंद है.
No.
That's road movie.
मैं नाच जानती हूँ.
Yes, and then
Yeah.
she does some exactly good one, Mali.
Yeah, it had a very
Dude, it's
profound
very-
effect on me.
I loved
Same.
Road. Road was the film.
Vivek Oberoi.
रसते something there's a song ना
मैं रगड़ा या तू रगड़ा ना करेंगे.
कोई गाना नहीं.
Hey, Nisha is there, no? in
ऐसी
that.
कैसी आंख में चोली निकल ले भैया संभल ले भैया
निकल ले भैया रे.
Ganesh Acharya dancing himself with Antara Mali.
Oh, yeah.
It's a real contrast. He was at his
When
full in
Antara
full
Mali
glory.
go?
अरे she's living a nice
She's
life.
good over.
Yeah, she's
good for her.
happy.
Good for her.
You know, I love how growing up we all thought कि कोई अगर limelight से चला गया तो उनकी तो downgrade हो गई.
Correct.
And then you grow up and you realize, oh, it's quite the upgrade.
Asin also, Asin.
Asin is also in
Living,
Delhi.
chilling.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's in Chhatarpur. We know.
How do you know she's
Give
in
the address also.
Chhatarpur?
I know. She's with Micromax, no?
Yes.
She's married.
She's with Micro.
Micromax.
I don't know his name, yeah. I know she's
They
married
acquired-
with a Micromax.
They've acquired her.
Micromax acquired. That's terrible. Stop talking like that about women.
I spoke this, yeah, correct.
Yo.
No, but also, can we also discuss couples who are panned but we like?
Oh wait, we have to do this.
Huh.
Okay, we have to do this as the final thought of this episode.
Okay.
Where we all do one couple that was widely panned by audiences and or critics.
हाँ.
But हमारे लिए soft corner है. हमारे दिल में
Widely panned.
widely panned.
Let me thought about it.
मेरा अर्जुन परिणीति है मैं बोल रहा हूँ अभी
Panned can't
Panned
be
का
यार,
तो
ऋषभ
बार-बार
साल
Then
cast
है।
individually they get too much flack. They're very good actors.
But they repeatedly cast opposite each other.
Yeah, but they're so good. Sandeep और पिंकी फरार, इशक ज़ादे.
Namaste.
Yes,
Namaste.
of
Namaste. Okay, Namaste England.
Best film.
I'm a little biased towards Namaste England because I'm in it.
कल लेना जाना.
I just
With her
missed the
song.
national award for my performance. Like, bye. चलाइए मेरा क्लिप यहाँ.
Okay, I really want to chat lots, but मुझे इसको काम पे छोड़ना है, so give me a number.
Please मेरा South Hall accent लगाइए आप.
So yeah, I am given. मेरा अर्जुन परिणीति है. You two do.
थोड़ा
and then-
doesn't
But they
qualify
were
what
not
you're saying.
panned,
Yeah,
यार.
panned
Who
no
is
है.
panned as a couple then?
Let's think.
Like Kareena and Shahid were not given a lot of love before Jab We Met.
तो क्या अब मिलेंगे थोड़ी सेलिब्रेट करेंगे हम बैठ के.
36 Chinatown. Fida.
वो कौन सी
मैंने
फिल्म है?
try-
जानिया.
Fida.
फिदा. Great film. आ जाओ माई लेट्स डू बल्ले बल्ले. We just discussed it in the previous episode.
Couple that was panned but we like.
Harman Priyanka.
Oh.
Is that safe? I'm just trying to understand if we can agree that they were
Yeah,
panned.
they were quite panned. Correct, because he was not given due credit.
Because he was just born after Hrithik. That's his only
Yeah,
fault.
yeah.
Guys,
Baki-
also I know this is not part of the discussion, but What's Your Rashi is another movie that has not been given its due.
I love it. Tum
सूचे
jaato-
सूचे
Oh, you're different song,
मन
right?
कहते हो, कहते हो मन मस्त
I like Bikhari.
You all felt okay about the representation of your zodiac sign, what? Do you
What was
remember?
Cancer? I think ये येड़ी थी Cancerian.
Nahi,
सूचे.
Cancerian was hypersexual.
Oh, then so definitely.
She was like sadhu sexual. There was one character who was like little
Najeela
sadhu
laga
sexual
ke.
type
My
vibes.
favorite was that one. Thakkar is not my friend. You know that boss babe? There was
Yeah.
short
There was
hair.
a boss babe
That
with
was a
short hair.
Libran.
Oh, really?
My favorite was the divorcee who's lost hope in love. The Bikhari season.
There was one who said Chicago में तो बहुत बड़ा.
Chicago.
ये कुछ की बहुत बेइज्जती की है उन्होंने
Yeah.
zodiac signs की for no reason.
No, but I think Priyanka would know how to pronounce Chicago. Probably said it right. What she knows more than us, I think.
It was not Priyanka playing Priyanka. It
I
was not
believe
playing
all
a
the
girl
characters
from-
that actors play are actually them.
Like
so I
from
hate on
Ahmedabad.
actors for their characters. I am a common Indian man, okay?
Oh, okay.
I hated Shah Rukh when he cheated on his wife in Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, which is why the movie flopped. But I love it. Back to being
So
myself.
sorry about that. I just feel it needed to be said that
Fair.
What's Your Rashi was
Okay.
a great film.
So okay, you're saying we seem to be saying Harman and Priyanka.
PC Harman.
Harman,
You
Priyanka,
are saying, yeah.
and so have you.
No, I have not
Corroborate. What's Your Rashi is them?
No, I am praising it for Priyanka's like range
Solo performance.
and the narrative and the music.
Music.
The music
was
was bad.
great. Who is yours?
Wasn't there some detective angle also, private detective angle in What's Your Rashi?
Oh yeah,
There was a lot going on, guys.
there was a detective angle.
One of them is a minor.
Rajesh
also.
Vivek, I think, was a private detective.
Rajesh and Vivek are the two names of characters Monish Bahl has played in Hum Aapke Hain Kaun and Hum Saath Saath Hain. I just
Can we
want
live
to-
Wasn't
Right,
Rajesh
right,
Vivek
right.
Ghuran in Lagan?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, wasn't that Karim Haji?
Who?
Karim Haji was Ghuran.
No,
na?
he was
Ghuran.
Bagha.
Wow.
He was Bagha.
Yeah. He's a friend. Hi, Karim. But
Which twin was it? Maybe
it was
both.
Karim. It was one of the.
Okay.
But a good one. He follows.
Oh,
Karim. Hi, thumbs up,
good
Karim.
performance in Lagan.
Love you.
Yeah.
Nice dhols.
He did the doors on the mandir. Give yours. We have to
I
wrap
said
this
तो
episode.
मैंने बताया
We wait for Malika's and then we wrap this episode and move.
आप करो, मैं सोच रही हूँ.
Okay, fine. No pressure. इधर उधर देखते हैं. इधर उधर. Malika सोचो.
You know, guys, it might sound really maybe borderline inappropriate or not, but I think Alia Bhatt and Randeep Hooda.
Were underrated. You're saying.
Yeah, I liked it.
They were very good, yaar. That was a.
That's
That
almost
might be
Piku
the winner.
level.
That's the winner.
Yeah, that was. I like this casting only, a
Yeah.
Piku type casting.
Yeah. Unexpected pairing, no, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
He cries when he realizes he's fallen in love with her.
Oh my
He
god,
sees
when he sees
sleeping.
her cooking.
He sees her cooking, he steps out and howls into a rag or
She
something.
comes in, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, on that.
I'm feeling heaviness right now.
Yeah.
Like, you know, the few times when that suspension of disbelief works.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In cinema.
There are some movies you can't watch too often because they have such an impact on you.
It's
no?
the
I
best
was one of
Imtiaz
those.
Ali couple ever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After
Yeah.
Anushka and Shah Rukh in Jab Hari Met
Yeah,
Sejal.
yeah.
But we will save that for another episode because we have come to the end of this episode of the Popcorn Hour where Malika Dua told us about couples that she thought were underrated.
Top of which is Priyanshu Chatterjee and Sandali Sinha in Tum Bin.
And bottom of which is Malika Dua and Shantanu Anand in Theatre Done in the early 2010s in Delhi. Thank you, Malika, for coming on this episode. And
Thanks,
we will
guys,
do
for
a part
having
2. And thank you, Akanksha.
Do
For
the
not-
last step also once before you enter.
Tell us about more underrated couples. Like, share, subscribe, do the rest. And tell us who you'd like to call for our subsequent episodes.